is it? It's
Whose
Bodhi's
birthday? Yeah!
Is that yummy? Some pumpkin puree, sweet potato puree. Oh, you got a little bit on your nose. There you go. Yum, okay. Are you excited for your cake?
Yeah.
All right.
Bodhi. What's that? What is that?
Okay, so we're pouring in the sweet potato puree. That's gonna be the chunk of our cake. We're gonna throw in some chicken, some pieces of chicken. Okay. Bodhi loves chicken, so that's gonna be a nice little treat for him. All right, and then I'm gonna mix that in so it's in with the puree. We're gonna add in the oats. So just gonna slowly add them in and then mix it as I'm adding it. Okay. Then I'm gonna add in the baking powder. Just baking powder. Just gonna add that in. Mix it. Then lastly, the egg.
Nice.
Now it's getting a little bit more watery, but eggy. I'm gonna put it into this bowl.
Nice.
Little cake bowl. It comes with this cool clasps, so it should be easy. I'm gonna do half first. Not a chef or a baker, but you know, we'll do anything for Bodhi. Adding the rest. Okay, I'm gonna put it into the oven. Okay, so we have some leftover sweet potato puree, so little Bodhi's gonna get some.
All right.
Yeah. All right, Bodhi, you can eat the rest. Okay. Oh, yum. Yummy, yummy. Oh, it's gonna get all over his ear.
It's okay.
Is that yummy, Bodhi?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, buddy. Now the cake's out of the oven. It's looking pretty good. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put the topping on. So the topping is all natural Greek yogurt, and we're just gonna spread it on top like so. So here we go. Get a good glob and just start spreading.
Bodhi's looking at it.
Yeah. Yeah, Bodhi, you're gonna have a nice little treat here, man. It's your birthday cake, buddy. Turning 1.
Do you know that it's your cake, buddy?
Okay.
Do you know that? Is that yummy, Bodhi? Does that look yummy? Does it smell yummy? What does it look like from your angle? Oh, you can't even see it. You can't even see it, Bodhi.
Alright, and then now we have some frozen blackberries, raspberries, and blueberries. We're just gonna put them on top like so.
It looks so good.
Bomb.
That looks like a human cake, huh?
I'll eat it. you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Bodhi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Bodhi.
Good boy.
Happy first birthday, buddy.
Happy number 1.
I love you so much.
He's a big boy now.
Yeah.
Does that smell good, Bodhi? Oh.
Wow,
Chicken.
look at that.
You excited?
Hey, Mr. Bodhi, happy first birthday. We love you. Enjoy. Sit and stay. Okay.
Good boy.
Yeah, buddy. Happy birthday. Oh, yeah. He's loving it.
Yeah, he is.
That looks good, buddy. Can I have some? Okay, you can have it. I'll get some later.
Thanks everyone for tuning in. Bodhi had such a great day and we're so glad we're able to share it with you. See you in the next video.